So I have all of my makeup on that I'm going to do for today. And yesterday I posted about my mascara, and I talk about it all the time in all my videos. But I wanted to show you guys one more time and maybe read you some of the information that we have. And it's called Avon True Color Love at First Lash, and the one that I am using is just the regular one. We do have a waterproof one, and I just want to read you a little bit of the information for the description. The reason why they have the heart on there, it is a heart-shaped lash hugging fibers that lock on to the lashes. So when you put them on and you wiggle, it goes through all of the eyelash hairs. It does provide instant length, and if you saw my post yesterday, I showed one eye and one eye not done. My own. That's my own eye. Let's read on here. The Love Complex formula helps to both strengthen and condition your lashes for a flawless flutter. And the reason for the strengthen and the condition, we have vitamins A, C, and E in here to help your lashes. Olive oil and lycopene strengthen the lashes. It's smudge-free, clump-free, and won't flake off, which I love this stuff. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. And for those that are contact lens wearers, I do wear contacts. You can tell. They are safe for contact wearers, and they are ophthalmologist tested. It is vegan. It is paraben free, sulfate free, and talc free. So I know some of you are concerned with that. So I just want to give you guys a quick, I'm going to put this on. Remember, I've already talked to you several times. Do not pump your mascara. It only pumps air into your tube. And that is not good because it's going to dry out your mascara a lot faster. And if you're on a budget like I am, you cannot afford to be going around buying mascaras all the time. So take care of what you have. So I take my wand, I start at the base near my lid, and I just wiggle to make sure every little hair is coated. Also, it helps prevent clumps with the wiggling to keep the lashes from sticking together and looking like little tarantulas. And if you can't wiggle, then grab your lash and slowly close your eye, and it'll do the most of the work for you. All right, I think I have it pretty good coated. Can you see the difference? Okay, hope you're able to see that. Oops. That's what I get for not looking at my mirror and using the camera instead. And I'm just using a handheld mirror, and I don't usually do the makeup face. Most women have to open their mouths, which is totally okay and totally natural. But if you have the mirror like right below you, it'll help you to look down I'm going to grab those lashes. Or do like this. Get to the base and close your eye. And that's it. My favorite mascara. Let's see if I can get closer for you. I don't know if you can see. I hope you can see very well. All right, I gotta go to work. Bye.